class is in cloud, class is visible, it is subtle, constantly noticeable, quietly showing its refinement every now and then. And when Samsung first brought out their foldables, they were instantly linked as a symbol of luxury tech. 8 generations in, and we have this, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. Something that stands on Samsung's legacy of foldables, of making them better every year. So what do you get this year? Spec for spec, the Ultra badge has earned the Z Fold 8 Ultra a slightly slimmer build, resolution bump for the screen, a 50 megapixel ultra-wide camera, a more powerful chip, and with all of that, a bigger battery. Right off the bat, you will appreciate the slimness, usability of this phone even when folded. It feels like a regular bar form factor phone for daily use, and you'll be surprised at how approachable this is. It is so slim that the charging port seems to be thicker than the phone frame itself, which is surprising. One of the most crucial parts of a foldable is the hinge, and that has also received a lot of updates. It feels tighter, snappier, and it can hold itself open at insanely aggressive angles. And unfolded, the crease is gone. And if you know me, I've done hands-on review for the Galaxy Fold devices since the Z Fold 4, and this doesn't feel like a new phone thing. In fact, even scrolling over the crease doesn't feel as different as it used to feel on foldables so far. Mechanically, I can confidently say that Samsung has done a great job with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra's hinge and crease mechanisms. The displays are now brighter, sharper, and the Z Fold 8 Ultra also gets an anti-reflective coating which works brilliantly, especially outdoors. As for the panel quality, both panels are dynamic AMOLED 2X panels, high refresh rate, and the main panel sports a QXGA Plus resolution. The blacks are deep, colors punchy, gaming is absolutely lag free, and the responsiveness is really good too, be it folded or unfolded. In my testing time with this phone, I couldn't come up with a scenario where the Z Fold 8 Ultra's screen let me down. And the Ultra badge has also bought a camera upgrade with the Z Fold 8 Ultra. Along with the 200 megapixel main and the 10 megapixel telephoto, there's a new 50 megapixel ultra wide lens. Now, before we get to the results, let's talk about the fold advantage. Shooting with this, just unfold the phone and you get 2 additional toggles. First is instant preview. It turns half of the inner screen into a preview window for whatever you just clicked. You can decide to favorite, share, or discard the image from right there. The second toggle turns on the cover screen, letting you take selfies from the rear camera, and that means you always have the right lens for every kind of photo you would ever want to take. Now, as for the output itself, be it natural light, indoors, or low light, the cameras take legit good images. Yes, the main 200 megapixel camera delivers the best output, but the ultra wide and the 3x telephoto are also taking detailed images with scope to further zoom or crop without losing much. Skin tones are retained very well, background separation is excellent in portrait shots, and even in low light, the exposure control, sky texture, and even light flares are controlled exactly the way they should be with a flagship camera. Video results are also super steady for moving shots, and even in low light, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra makes sure you get good stable results. In my testing, I didn't have to once think about switching the lenses to get a better quality. All lenses deliver good results here, even the inner and cover cameras are good in all lighting conditions. But beyond the displays and the cameras, it is the heart of the phone that matters most, and Samsung has fitted this, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, with a Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy chipset. Now there's up to 16 GB memory with up to 1 TB storage on tap, and this phone leaves no stone unturned when it comes to performance. I've tried BGMI at max graphics, WWE, Subway City, and many other games. No lag, absolutely smooth gameplay for back-to-back sessions. And it's not just power. If you're gaming on the main screen, it feels like playing on a tablet. If you played Subway City or BGMI, you'll definitely appreciate it unfolded widescreen. Basically, every experience is different from the conventional Android form factor. Search an app in Play Store, unfolded, and here's what you see. YouTube is bigger with better previews, and the PIP experience is at par with a small tablet. Just one tap and you can open two apps side by side, and this is where you see power and optimization take shape. Even multiple app groups are smooth to run. You can research and type side by side, watch a short and read an article. The combinations are literally endless. Aside from the current crop of One UI optimizations and smart AI features in gallery and other places, Samsung has also promised 7 years of security updates for the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. What impressed me most on this phone is the all-day battery. I've been testing this for a week now, and I've literally thrown a full day of gaming and binge watching on this phone. Started using it with a walk in the park at 6 AM, and when I got home at 8 PM there was still 20% battery left. 5000 mAh in this slimness plus the 45 watt fast charging means 20% to a full charge in about an hour. There's also wireless charging, and then there's Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6 to future-proof connectivity. Now with all of that, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra is one of the most sorted foldables that you can buy on the market today. The Gorilla Glass and aluminum shell give it the necessary durability. The displays are an absolute delight, especially with the new anti-reflective coating, and the software optimizations combined with the powerful hardware give it the necessary specs for a true flagship. So in our opinion, if you're looking for a productivity focused foldable that doesn't make you compromise on build, cameras or performance, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra is a great option. But that's not the end of it. We are also reviewing the all-new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 and many other devices that we are just not going to name yet. So stay tuned to Gadgets 360 for the 360-degree coverage of all that. My name is Manik Beri, and I'll see you in the next video.